Let me ask you something. How many times have you watched someone consistently profit trading live and thought to yourself, why can't I do that? Truth is, you can, but you have to stop guessing and start learning directly from someone that's already doing it in real time. Make sure that someone shows their face, shares their full name, and doesn't crop their screen. Invest into something that secures your future. I have 5 spots in my private mentorship, and 4 are taken, 1 is available. Once that other spot is taken, there will be a wait list so you can be next in line when another spot is free. You'll get to see my entries, my exits, my risk management, my psychology. You can copy all of my trades live, real time, with zero latency. There's no delay, just real trading, real time. This is not spending money. Keep in mind, this is investing into your future. You're not spending money for a mentorship, you're investing money to better your good. I want to only have 5 spots because I want to focus on growing those 5 people and helping them get their prop firm payouts and help them grow their personal accounts. So I can't guarantee how long it will take for those 5 people before another spot becomes available. But guys, if you want to make $1,000 a day on trading prop firms, that's not too hard. With someone like Take Profit Trader, you can have 5 funded accounts. All that is $200 per account times 5, that's $1,000 a day. Now keep in mind, it's very reasonable for you to make $1,000 per account, $5,000 a day. You can do that, but you have to also keep in mind that my results are not typical. I am an above average trader, and I say that in the most humble way possible. I just don't want someone to expect to learn immediately and start pulling those results. I've been trading since I was 14 years old, and I am 26 now. I have a lot of experience when it comes to trading, very consistent experience, nonstop, absolutely grinding obsession. So that's why I know the market so well. If you would like to join, just direct message me and let me know if you want the last spot. If the last spot is taken, do the wait list. As soon as one's available, I'm going to start picking the first people on the wait list for the next spot. I want you to be a testimony, so I want you to grow. Keep that in mind as well. I really need you to grow so that I can get a good testimony from you. If you're making $1,000 a day in payouts and we hit your monthly goal, so if you hit your goal of $20,000 that month in prop firm payouts, I will then pull you down. You will still remain in the private mentorship because it's lifetime. So you still get free access to all of the live streams every day and all the extra content and special deals. So again, invest into your future. It's time to grow. $1,000 for something that can make you thousands every day. It's not a bad decision. It's up to you. Just invest into your future. I will see you guys around. Again, every Tuesday is free. If you want to come by and get a little taste of what you see, I will see you guys in the next live stream.